Peace crochet friends, welcome to the latest and greatest tutorial. Today we are learning how to make this 6-petal flower motif. I'm using two colors of 4-ply worsted weight yarn. This is acrylic, and I'm using my 5.5mm clover hook. As always, you can use any yarn or hook size of your choice. Let's get started. We're going to start with a slip knot or a magic circle, your preference, and chain 3 into the first chain. We place 11 double crochet, okay, and just give that beginning tail a little pull that will close the circle in the center. And now we're going to slip stitch into the top of this beginning chain. However, I'm going to switch colors now, so I'm just going to put my hook in there, but I'm not going to complete the slip stitch just yet because I want to change colors, okay? So I'm going to put this green down. I'm going to cut it. My next color, I'm using purple. So I'm now going to place my new color on the hook, pull it through both of those loops. I'm going to pull that green string that I've got back there just to kind of tighten that stitch up, okay? And now we're ready to continue for round 2. For round 2, we will chain 1 and into this same stitch, I'm going to make a single crochet, chain 7, and then single crochet back down into that same stitch, okay? And so what you've now done is created this loop, all right? And if it twists around on you, it's okay, just kind of straighten it out, okay? We're gonna skip the next stitch here, and into the very next one, we will place a single crochet, chain 7, go back down into that same stitch and place another single crochet. Okay, so we now have 2 of these loops here. We're going to continue that all the way around, and I will meet you at the end of round 2. So your next move is you're going to skip this stitch, single crochet into the next one, chain 7, and single crochet again into that same stitch. Okay, continue that, and I will meet you at the end of round 2. We've reached the end of round 2. We're now going to slip stitch into the first stitch down here. You should have 6 of these loops now. Okay, so now we're ready to start round 3 and our petals. So we're now going to chain 1 and into this first loop here to the left, we're going to place 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, 2 half double, 1 single crochet. So that petal should look like this. Okay. We're going to continue that all the way around. So again, just jump right into that next loop here with 1 single crochet, 2 half doubles, three double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, two half double, one single crochet. Okay, there's your second petal. All right, continue that all the way around. You'll have a total of 6 petals, and I'll meet you there at the end of round 3. Okay, when you have finished your 6 petals and you're at the end of round 3, we're now going to slip stitch into that first single crochet of this round. Now, just take a good look at it. So you've already got a stitch in here, right? So that's not where we're going. We're going to go into this single crochet right here. Okay, so just put your slip stitch in there. Okay, and now we're going to cut it. And our flower is complete. Okay. And I like to just kind of pull them out, pull the petals out from where those chain 2 spaces are, so it looks a little pointy. And if you have loose ends from changing colors, I just tied a knot in the back here, and I will hide this purple tail. All right. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed the tutorial and how you plan to use your 6 petal flower motifs. I think these would be cute as added to maybe a little purse or a bag. You could put them on baby clothes, a sweater, or even a scarf. This is my first one I did. For some reason, I think I didn't skip one of the stitches and I ended up with 7 petals. But still cute, right? Yeah, okay. You guys, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe and the share the video with other crochet enthusiasts. Thank you for watching. I'm grateful to have you here with me. Peace to you.